A very good morning to the students of class 5. Welcome back to our online classes in English literature. Hope all of you have done your half yearly exams well and you are ready, eager and enthusiastic in learning the new lessons and going ahead with our English literature classes. So we have a lesson, The Honey Gatherers of Sundarbans, lesson 15, based on the theme Our Country. As I told you in the previous lesson 14, our country is very rich in heritage, its tradition, culture and natural beauty, the nature beauty. So everything is so beautiful that God has created for us, especially in our country. And there are so many places, so many tribals, forest, people remaining exclusively together without any connection with other people, and tribals in group remaining, and we are not sometimes we are not even aware. So here we have in this lesson we have a people of Sundarbans. The Sundarban is situated in Ganga Delta. It is an island, and these people are all alone staying there. They go through their life and they depend upon the forest for their livelihood. So this is a lesson, just an experience of people of Sundarbans. Now as we go ahead with this lesson, we'll understand what exactly the lesson stands for. And now I'll give you just an introduction. Before beginning the introduction, I would like to tell you about the author, the writer. The writer is Muriel Kakani. Is from Belgium, is a Belgium writer, but has been living in India for the last 25 years. So 25 years last he is living in India, and her work has taken her to the remote villages of India. So it is her task that she was finding many remote places of India, where she has discovered and documented fascinating ecological traditions in agriculture, handlooms, crafts, forest management, etc. So forest management also is a part of this fascinating traditions. Muriel is also an author and illustrator of children's books, such as the Ecological Tales from India series and The Mystery of Blue. She regularly contributes articles on environmental issues to various publications. So she is a nature loving writer or an author. So because of that, she got so many publications of books based on this type of things, especially for the young children. So this is all about Muriel Kakani. She is a Belgian writer or an author and written this lesson. So this is this story appeared in Gobar Times in 15th September 2015. So it is a cutout from a newspaper. The real story has come in, and from there after the illustration is done by Muriel Kakani. So here all about this lesson is The Honey Gatherers of Sundarbans is a story by Muriel Kakani. It paints a picture not just of the forest and its hazards, but also of tribal beliefs and cultures. So what are the beliefs that as a tribal people and what are their culture? All these explains in this lesson. The story starts with a description of the Sundarbans and the life of a honey gathering tribes living on its outskirts. How the people of that in that particular island, and how these tribals go into the forest and gather the honey. It narrows down to the success of Gaffer, who is known for his multiple successful escapades in the forest. So it is not a very easy work. It is not an easy job. It is a very risky, dangerous thing to go into the forest and do this honey gathering expedition. It also depicts the reverence that the people feel towards the deity of Bonbibi. Now, Bonbibi is according to the patroness of that particular island, and they have a lot of faith in her. Before going, after returning, all traditional customs are followed by these people very strictly over there, who they believe protects them from the tigers in the forest. So you know that a thick forest has a lot of tigers, and especially this Ganga Delta mangrove islands has a plenty of tigers. But when Gaffer disregards the rules of the jungle, even on the insistence of his cousin Ghalib, they incur the wrath of Bonbibi with dire consequences. Now, the story when we read, we'll understand who is Gaffer, who is Ghalib, and what is the relationship they have, and what type of man was Gaffer, how many records he has done by going for this long honey gathering expedition. You will learn in the book while I will explain to you. And because of even after Ghalib, the cousin of Gaffer, says that we should pay due respect to the goddess Bonbibi, but he was not able to understand, and he goes and a lot of result comes. So finally you will find Gaffer is taken away by the tiger. So this is almost the conclusion. Exactly they are not saying, but that we conclude as that because of his disrespect towards the goddess Bonbibi, the Bonbibi has punished him. So this is all about the lesson. Please go through your lessons well, and in the next class we'll start with the lesson explanation and the reading. So what you have to do is you will take a new copy in your language copy, an English literature copy, write the name, write the topic, and begin to write the word meanings. By the time we'll begin the first and second part, thereafter you will get to the book exercises. So please keep reading. Now you have grown up well, so you should be more responsibility you should take in completing the reading and all what is asked by your teachers. So take care. Okay, thank you.